There's the ranger's house. See the canal thing over here where they said the rocks from the old fort were used to make the canal there. Old Jarvie, and he died at, I think, 1901. He used to take people across the river over to the old fort and also to the old military rock fort that was over there that became what's called the Rock Saloon. And it's over there. I walked over and found it. And there's the old water mill. There's Jarvie's old store. But and I put the GPS coordinates on the internet and took pictures of it. You can see the military trail going by there. There's like a fence there. There's like an old steps, wood steps.
Right.
It's right close by. Right.
Where do you find those on the internet?
I have them up at scribed.com, SCRIBD, scribed.com, and just put in there, just do a search on it, or look my name up. You'll see the stuff that I put up there. But also I did one on TreasureNet, and somebody the other day called me about Browns Park, and he saw that there, and he was asking me about the old fort and what was up here, and so I was kind of telling him some of the stuff that was here. And come on guys, I need a fish for the movie. You catch a fish when we're putting a boat in the water, now you can't get one. That's not fair.
Oh, we'll get one.
I know, that's not fair. The river's beautiful today. Oh man.
Rolling. That's gonna be a workout day.
Here comes the bridge a little bit up pretty soon. Taylor Flats. Boy, I saw last night coming across from 191 this way to come down the canyon. I never seen so many deer and so many antelope out there on the basin. Man, there was a herd there, 300 at least, I'd say. I never seen that many antelope in one spot. We're not moving as fast as the last time we were.
No.
So that's good. We'll get you guys more fish time. What is today? March the 25th or something? No, 22nd, I believe.
Yeah.
So is spring here yet? Yeah, spring's here, right?
Yeah.
Because we reset the clocks. So this is, there's the old Jarvie Ranch. You know, years ago that was privately owned. Some lady owned it and sold it to the state. And they made that what it was. I would have loved to have bought that, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
And she didn't sell it for very much. But they didn't have the trailer house and stuff like that up there. But, you know, you could still stay at that little cabin there. And they fixed it all up. Well, I don't want to run the movie more than 5 minutes, so bridge is coming up. Ain't it peaceful? No cars honking, no dogs barking.